Hi, I'm Scott from Heckman Auction, and I'm going to show you how to start this hydrostatic John Deere mower. First, you have to have the parking brake on, and you need to put the mower into either start or mow position depending on how long ago you started the mower. You also have to have these arms into the starting position, which is right here. If you don't have all three of these, it will not start. And once you get it going, you turn it on, and you need to put the parking brake off before you go, otherwise it'll kill. And that's that.